What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're finally starting the build on the Honda Civic Si. So when I first got this car, the first thing I told you guys what I was going to do was change these headlights because they need replacing. I wasn't going to restore them. I was going to just get brand new headlights. And also I bought LED bulbs today too, so I did not go custom on the headlights itself. I just kept the OEM again, but yes, that's what we're doing today. First mod for the Civic today is replacing these scratched out, faded OEM headlights with new, clean OEM headlights with LED bulbs. So yes, let's get to it and let's see how this goes. Bumper is off. So that was pretty easy. The only thing I had to remove were these right here. Remove the latch from the fog lights. I'm gonna do this one right now. All right, now I'm gonna set the bumper aside and then we can get started on the headlights. It's basically like the ones I have on my other Civic. That was pretty easy to do, but it was like the same process. So I'm just gonna do the same process like I did when I installed the other Civic headlights. But yeah, almost there. There's like 2 bolts, maybe 3 I have to remove. So I have to remove this one right here. There's always one hiding from me. It's like that one right there. It's very hard to see because it's kind of dark, but you can see it's right there. I think those are the only 2 I have to remove to get the headlights off. Now I might be wrong, but if I find another one, another bolt, I'll let you guys know. But once I get those 2 removed, the headlight should be able to come strictly out. Actually 3 bolts. So the secret bolt you have to look out for, the secret screw. It's like right here. Just screw that and it comes out. Now all I have to do is unpush the harness and I can pull these right out. I want to do a side-by-side comparison. You can see how old this one is ahead of time, and I'm placing them with new, regular, same ones, OEM, but it's tape on there right now, so once I get the tape out, it'll be very, very clear. Just want to do a side-by-side comparison, see the old versus the new, and I can see the road better with having clear headlights and not these. Now I'm about to take the bracket off right here, install the bracket to this one. Okay, so these are the LED lights that I will be installing in my car by Light by Xenower LED lighting. That's what I'll be installing today. So this is what it looks like. Very nice, very well packaged. I like how they did this. Very nice. So I cannot wait to install these. So this is high beams and low beam. One more cool thing this box came with is gloves. So you want put any prints on the LED. Yes, I'm definitely going to put these on right quick and handle this with care. Okay, so the first thing I'm about to do is remove my low beam headlight bulb. The difference between low beam, high beam, and blinker. So this is the blinker, low beam, and high beam. I am removing this one right here, just like that. Brand new too. So I'm going to keep these because anything can go wrong. Keep your OEM bulbs handy because you never know what can happen in the future. So I'm gonna put this in a safe, secure spot, and then we can install the new ones. If you guys don't know, H11 means low beam, so easy, pop and play. Just like that. And that's it. You plug it in and it should turn on. I already tell it looks like a whole different car. So man, telling you guys, if you're going to change your LEDs out, make sure you get brand new headlights too. If your headlights are looking like this one on the left, you want to look like this one on the right. So yes, I'm about to do the other side right quick. All right, gonna do the final thing right here is remove this plastic. Ooh. Ooh. All right, guys, I am done installing the new headlights and the new light bulbs for the SI. As you can see here, ooh, so good. But yes, I am done. I am exhausted. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell. If you just subscribed to my channel, if you're newly here, I do builds on this channel, I do reviews on this channel, I do all types of things. I just got this 2015 Honda Civic Si 8 months ago, so this is episode 1 of the Honda Civic Si build. So sit back and rewatch all my old videos if you don't know who I am. But guys, I am out of here. You know the sound of this channel legit is out.